All right, so ordered this on Amazon. We'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. Luckerain Pond Aerator and Submersible Diffuser. And this is what we've got. Hose, an air stone. Here's the manual. The whole purpose of an aerator is to go ahead and keep a lot of oxygen in the water, which is healthy for the fish and beneficial in keeping the sludge at bay. So here's just the pump. Plug it in, connect it to the air hose, and the air hose to the stone. Interesting. This is pretty heavy, and they said it's a weighted air line. Yeah, it's shockingly heavy compared to what you would think a regular hose might be. All right, let's go set it up. There's no pictures, and the written instructions are fairly brief, but we're just going to go with it here. They give you these zip ties. They give you this, looks like stainless steel plate, and I'm guessing the zip ties are going to go through here and secure this. I'm just feeding it through one end and back up through the other. I'm not making it super tight on that, just to keep it so that when you pull it up, it comes up. And then we'll take the hose, similar to, this is a hose for an air pump or something like that. That's what it feels like. All right, this is all making sense. So this is going to go here, like so. But first we need a big clamp for that. One clamp's going to go where this rubber piece meets the compressor. And this second big clamp will go around that brass fitting. So those two like that. This third clamp will go around the other end of the brass fitting. And then last but not least, the clamp on this end of the hose, which will go onto the diffuser. Okay, those two are on pretty good. And last but not least, oh, that's not on good enough. Okay, what's interesting is this is a very smooth fitting. I think what I'm going to do, as far under there as possible, or tighten it from this end here, because that came off fairly easy. I must have not had it on very tight. Yeah, it still wiggles. That's insane. I've got that on really tight too. That's a bad design. I would at least made that barbed so it doesn't want to come off. It wants to come off. Well, I'm not gonna pull on that too hard, because that's just really tight, really tough to get on there real well. All right, and then now let's go ahead and connect our air stone or our diffuser. Okay, and that's it. Now it's just a matter of placing it. It has a limit of 4 foot depth. They said deeper than that and it will cause strain on the compressor and limit the life expectancy. Our pond's only a couple feet deep, so we'll be safe on that part. All right, so now all we do is go and plug it in. I've got it kind of right where I want it. And that's supposed to help greatly with the oxygen content of the water and hopefully combat the algae in the sludge as well. So we'll see how it goes, and this can run continuously. It's low wattage, and low wattage means low energy, so that should all be a plus. So that's the actual sound of the pump, and I probably will put the pump right there in that bed, about a foot below the porch, it's still above the water line of the pond. Just listen to the birds in the background, and then you can kind of get an idea of, if you're sitting on this porch here, what that would sound like. In comparison to all the background noise, you can hear it. It's not, you can still carry a conversation on without any problem out here, but ideally it'd probably be better if it were off the porch.
Can we do it? Yeah?
Okay, let's do it.
Do it.
You have to lift them up. They all go in?
Yeah!
Pretty cool. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.